Perhaps you've been doing keto for some time and just can't seem to figure out how to make low-carb dessert that actually tastes good, no matter how hard you try. Spending countless hours on the internet looking for that perfect keto recipe, yet still it's a giant flop, only to fail once again. No one likes to feel disappointed about their keto baking failures. What if there was a way for you to quickly and easily satisfy your sweet tooth without all the guesswork? Hey, after all, time is valuable and there must be an easier way for you to bake the traditional dessert you always loved from childhood. We decided to formulate a line of low-carb, gluten-free, sugar-free, delicious keto-friendly baking mixes that are so simple to make, even your kids can make it. We're not kidding, it's seriously that easy. If you are a dedicated user of our BochaSweet sugar replacement, you will love that these mixes are sweetened with BochaSweet, our zero-calorie, zero-glycemic, all-natural sweetener that tastes just like cane sugar without the bitter aftertaste. Transform your keto baking lifestyle with these 4 quick and easy, keto-friendly, and low net carb baking mixes. These mixes are made with high-quality, low-carb ingredients such as almond and coconut flour, fiber, MCTs derived from coconut oil, and best of all, sweetened with BochaSweet. Everything is already measured out for you in these mixes. By simply adding in a couple extra ingredients found in your home, you can have your BochaSweet breakfast, snacks, and desserts ready within minutes. All you have to do is head over to BochaSweet.com, choose the baking mix of your preference, or get our variety pack, which includes our brownie, muffin, and our pancake mix. So make your keto baking a winner and order our BochaSweet baking mixes today.